Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Zelle, a popular peer-to-peer payment app. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to address a common question that I get asked a lot. Can you receive money through Zelle without a bank account? The short answer is no, you cannot receive money through Zelle without a bank account. Zelle is designed to work with your bank account, so it needs a place to deposit the funds. However, there are a few ways to get around this limitation. Method 1. Use a prepaid debit card. Prepaid debit cards are a great option for people who don't have a traditional bank account. You can load money onto the card and then use it to make purchases and receive money through Zelle. Method 2. Use a mobile banking app. There are a number of mobile banking apps that offer Zelle integration. This means that you can use the app to send and receive money through Zelle without having to open a traditional bank account. Method 3. Use a credit union. Credit unions are a great alternative to traditional banks. They often offer lower fees and better rates than banks, and they may be more willing to work with people who don't have a traditional bank account. Method 4. Use a third-party app. There are a number of third-party apps that allow you to send and receive money through Zelle. However, these apps may charge fees, and they may not be as secure as using Zelle directly. So, there you have it. While you can't receive money through Zelle without a bank account, there are a few ways to get around this limitation. I hope this information is helpful. Additional tips. Before using Zelle, be sure to do your research and choose a method that is right for you. Be aware of the fees associated with using Zelle. Be careful when using third-party apps, as they may not be as secure as using Zelle directly. If you have any questions, be sure to contact Zelle customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.